If you're seeing the "this site can't be reached" error in Chrome, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through 3 simple fixes that can solve the problem quickly. This issue can happen because of a weak internet connection, a corrupted browser cache, or a DNS problem on your computer. The good news is that you can usually fix it yourself in just a few minutes, without needing any advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, check your connection and restart your router. Before changing anything in Chrome, make sure your device is actually connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet properly. If the connection looks fine, unplug your modem or router from the power source and wait about 50 seconds. This pause helps fully reset the network hardware. After that, plug it back in and wait for the internet light to come back on. Once your connection is restored, try opening the same website again in Chrome. If it still doesn't load, test the site in another browser like Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. This helps you figure out whether the issue is only happening in Chrome or whether your internet connection itself is having a problem. If the website opens in another browser, but not in Chrome, the next step is to clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Over time, Chrome stores a lot of temporary data, and sometimes that data gets corrupted or outdated. To clear it, open Google Chrome and click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. From the menu, go to Settings, then select Privacy and Security. After that, click Clear Browsing Data. In the window that appears, choose Cached Images and Files and Cookies and other site data. You can leave the time range on all time if you want the most thorough cleanup. Then click Clear Data and let Chrome remove the stored files. Once that's done, restart Chrome and try visiting the site again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the error. If you still see the message, the next fix is to flush your DNS cache. DNS is what helps your computer translate website names into the correct addresses. And when it becomes outdated, Chrome may fail to reach certain sites. To do this on Windows, press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. When the Command Prompt window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message saying the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Next, type Next Winsock Reset and press Enter. This resets part of your network stack and can help resolve connection issues. After running both commands, restart your computer so the changes can take effect. Once your PC starts back up, open Chrome again and test the website one more time. At this point, the error should be gone in most cases. To recap, you first checked your internet connection and restarted your router, then cleared Chrome cache and cookies, and finally flushed your DNS cache and reset Winsock. These 3 steps solve a lot of common browser connection problems and are a great troubleshooting routine whenever Chrome refuses to load a site. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.